it's Rachel from Front Porch Properties here, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on where we're up to with our Gold Coast project. This is a really special project for a lovely family, and we are currently up to the framing stage and the roof has just gone on. My name is Rachel Turner and I own a construction company called Front Porch Properties, and we specialise in building new homes and renovations which have modern finishes with a storybook charm. I'm also a fully licensed builder, and my YouTube channel is all about all things DIY, home renovations, design tips and tricks and hacks. And if that kind of thing is up your alley, then please hit the subscribe button. I wanted to talk really briefly about the style of home, because I've had lots of people asking me about what kind of style it is, because it is certainly very unique and I don't think I've seen anything else like it in Brisbane or the Gold Coast. So it's called a Cape Cod-style home, and it mimics homes on the east coast of America in this Cape Cod style. And so some key characteristics that define that style are its symmetry is the main thing. And you can see, looking at the house, it's very symmetrical with this centered gambrel roof and then the dormer windows on either side. Another thing that characterizes the style is by having a really steep roof pitch. And you can see, because we've just had the roof tiles put on, that actually the roof takes up a huge portion of the front elevation. In fact, about 50% of the house, when you're standing on the street, all you see is the roof tiles. So it's really critical for us to select the right roof tiles that kind of mimic that slate American shingle look. So that's why we've chosen these particular tiles. So here is our front door, a massively oversized front door, 2,700 high for a front door, and this is the front porch here. This is just a large foyer. It's about 5 meters by 3 meters, so pretty large. And then through here is a mudroom, which you will walk through on your way inside from the garage, which is a really smart design idea. When you come home in the afternoon, you're carrying your bags and your jacket and your boots, and this mudroom right here is an excellent place to offload and store all of your stuff. Off to the left here is my client's craft room or her office. This is where she can just retreat, get away from the kids, have some peace and quiet and do her own things in there. And through here, this is all the open plan kitchen, living and dining. The living area over here has a beautiful picture frame window overlooking the city of Gold Coast. Behind this wall will be the media room where the kids can go. They can be closed off in that room and enjoy watching some movies. And then up this end, this is where the kitchen and butler's pantry is. Huge kitchen, huge full butler's pantry. I'll take you through so you can see how big it is. And the best part is there's going to be 3 massive sets of French doors there, again overlooking the city skyline. And we're back in the entrance here again, and down here there'll be a set of stairs going down here to the 3rd level, the basement level of the house, and that's where my clients can have guests that are visiting, or their parents-in-law can stay, or whatever. And it's fully fitted out down there with a little kitchenette and its own bathroom. We've just climbed up the scaffolding and now we're on the top level here, and this whole area is a really large void, so we're actually standing on an internal balcony and we'll be able to look down to the level beneath us. And these rooms through here are just all of the kids' bedrooms. The kids are lucky enough to each have their own ensuite. This is the girl's walk-in robe, and this is her ensuite. Pretty lucky for a young girl to have her own ensuite, especially with a really cute little dormer window as well. And this is the son's bedroom, and again, he has his own walk-in robe and his own ensuite. And now we're standing in the master bedroom. This is a really special space as well. In the master bedroom, we've decided to do a pitched ceiling here rather than having the flat ceiling. And we will line this and then we'll put on some dummy rafters so that it truly looks like a cathedral ceiling. The master bedroom also has its own beautiful balcony, again with views over the city of the Gold Coast. And through here is the master ensuite. This room is really something special. You can see that just by the sheer size of it. Right now I'm standing in the actual shower space itself. We're going to have double rose shower coming from the ceiling, as well as a shower on a hose coming from this wall as well. Also, we've built in a bench seat here as well, just somewhere where you can sit and relax, or also handy for putting your foot up to shave your legs, just total luxury in here. And up this end, underneath this beautiful big window, there's going to be a lovely freestanding bath and then a double vanity over here as well. So that's an update on our Gold Coast project. If you've got any comments or questions about this build, then please feel free to comment below. I do try to take time to get back to everyone who comments. And if you want to follow more of the behind the scenes day-to-day stuff of what we get up to, then maybe consider following along on Instagram at Front Porch Properties. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.